next, I would like to introduce the inside to you. Look at this folder. This is a module. The module mode is RN520, and we have global version and the Europe version. Okay, look at this small part we call 5G part. The chipset is SDX62, and it can be customized to SDX65, SDX72, SDX75. And the rest of the parts is Wi-Fi parts. The chipset is IPQ5018. Okay, which is the most I want to mention here is the heat dissipation system. Look at this gray part. This is cooling fan. It helps this product run for a long time even at a high temperature. Okay, also I'd like to introduce some firmware here. The firmware